Hey guys, it's Kevin Gray, CEO of Supermassive Media. Wanted to talk today about Threads. I'm sure you've heard about it by now. It is Meta's new social media platform and direct competitor of Twitter. Well, I need to set up our company's Threads account today, so I figured I'd film a video to show you exactly how to set up an account, dive in there, and what you should do to get started. Alright guys, so here we are inside of Instagram. This is the Supermassive account. So what we're going to do is log into the Threads app. We've actually never created an account with Supermassive yet. We've created a couple clients accounts. I have a personal account on there. Let's dive right into this. So I'm going to log in with Instagram, Supermassive Media Inc. There at the bottom, just tap that, getting ready for Threads. It asks if we want to import some information here from Instagram, so I'm going to go ahead and say yes. And as you can see, all of my information just directly got imported. Hit next. And what are we going to do? Privacy, public or private? Well, this is our company brand, so I'm going to set it to public. If you want it to be private, that's where you select that, and then you have to approve people who want to follow your account. So hit next on public. And then we are going to go ahead and join Threads. Now with this, obviously we don't have many followers on here. We don't have many accounts. You see that we have 0 followers right there, but the account has been created. It's basically Twitter. It operates almost exactly the same, and a lot of the features that are missing are scheduled to come in, like direct messaging and hashtags. As you see, there's this basic home feed, and in this home feed, everybody just kind of posts their content. As we are going to curate this, we're going to have more relevant content to our niche, which is digital marketing and content creation, connected television, etc. But with this being a brand new account, it is literally just brand new. And look, there we go. We just got our first follower there. That's pretty awesome. Hey, Jason Smith, we're going to follow Jason back. It's an engagement game. That's how we're going to play Threads, and we're going to grow this account. So go ahead and follow this account and see the growth. I'm going to continue to use this account as we really kind of ramp up our Threads. It's a brand new account. It has 0 followers. It came from an Instagram that mostly just sits there and auto posts from our scheduler. So why not show you guys how to increase Instagrams and Threads in videos? There's so much video content out there that here's some tips for Instagram. Here's some tips for this platform. Here's how I got 1 million followers. Well, why don't you just watch us as we get there? And I'm going to show you every trick and tip along the way, and that's how we're going to play the Threads game. So anyway, that's pretty much all I have for how to create the account. As you see, it's super simple. It takes all of 5 minutes or less, and you just set it up through your Instagram, so you can just get right to threading as soon as possible. I hope you found this to be educational and informative, and if you did, hit that subscribe button so you're here for the next video. Thanks and have a great rest of your day.